3 easiest trades to start with in your trading career from Mike Bellafiore, the Playbook. His quote is, become proficient and profitable in one trade before moving to the next. And that's very, very important. So first trade is the second day play. It's a continuation trade based on major moves from the previous day. So how it works: day one, you have a strong move up on heavy volume due to news, earnings, or breakout. That's the catalyst. Day two, you're looking for the stock to hold key levels, pull back in a controlled manner, then resume higher. What to look for: strong day one, volume and catalyst, relative strength versus the market, pullback, hold support, renewed buying and momentum. And these charts show you how it should look like. Now, a great example of this, Moderna recently. On Wednesday, we had great news that Moderna's stage 3 cancer drug has a very good, the messenger RNA cancer vaccine jumped 144%. Great bull candle, but that one happened on Thursday and Friday. You have these inside bars. The market's still digesting it. It's not moving up. It's not moving down. It's just sitting here. Let's see what happens on Monday. Second trade is the trend trade. Trade in the direction of the trend on multiple time frames. How it works: look at the daily, look at the intraday, look at the immediate price action. All of them should be synonymously going upwards. You're not trying to buy the bottom, you're trading the dominant trend. Stocks in the clear uptrend, pullbacks to support or VWAP, forms higher low and resumes ups, enter as a trend resumes. What's the definition of an uptrend? Higher highs and higher lows. That's what we're looking for. Third trade, fade the weakness long. So what to consider: prices sold off too fast, too far, signs of capitulation, exhaustion, and then now you're looking at a bounce off possible support, historically previous support. Look to your left and you should see a support, and typically stocks will bounce off the historical supports. Expect a bounce or retracement. The goal is not to catch the absolute bottom, but to position for a high probability bounce or retracement back upwards. You get in and then scale in as it starts going up. Here, please pause your video. And what I did is I compared all 3 trades, what they're best for, the key setups, time frames, goals, risks, and keys for all these trades. And the take-home message is, become proficient and profitable in one trade before moving to the next. Choose one setup to fit your personality, study it, trade it, journal it. Journaling is key. What's working? What's not? What can I improve? As long as you have the data, you can go back and fish it out. If you don't have the data, you don't journal it, you're missing a treasure trove of information. Identify what makes it work and what doesn't. Become consistently profitable. Then and only then add another setup. Discipline and timing are critical. Define your risk before every trade, one trade at a time. And the key here is hundreds of reps. That's your edge. Once you get hundreds of reps, you can see things, you have more experience, and you get better and better over time with trading. If you like this presentation, please like and subscribe.